Hi everyone, Andy Clark from ACSpeedtech. He's showing how to do the steering wheel removals on the GT R35. First of all, you just need to disconnect the batteries.
Carefully so you don't get electrocuted.
Yeah, you don't get electrocuted. That's what he said, which is what I just did. And just in case the airbag is going to popping off, and you need to remove two little covers, this one, of the steering wheels, there, one of each side. Once you remove that, you will use a T30 box to open that, taking two bolts out, remove.
It's an anti-tamper
One
with the
the little holes in the middle. So that is going to remove the airbag.
Yep.
And then you can see, there you go. I'll get you this, please. There you go. And then you've got to remove the airbag, disconnect the airbag cable. This is the tutorials of the ACSpeedtech steering wheel removals. See all the cables and stuff like that, just like do a big clean. And then we need to take in these bolts off. It means then you can remove the whole steering wheel. And what we're going to do is we're going to fit this badass carbon fiber custom made flat button end and Alcantara's on the side. It's going to test fit on our car to show, basically it's a show car. We can just like fitting every parts we can, and we have this steering wheel in stock. Don't worry about it. Just give us a call or give ACSpeedtech a call. We can supply fittings in ACSpeedtech. Right, there you go. It's being removed. The big bolt. Very gently. Then we need to remove another two bolts inside to get the steering wheel control units out. Then you can swap to another wheel. We come back in a bit. Right, we have been taken off on the back cover, which you can just pull it off. It's by clips, and then the brackets in the middle. Taking off these two, and that control cover is from the back of the steering wheel, which is 1, 2, 3 by this, held in by this little Phillips screwdriver. Right, we're going to put it back on now. Right, literally this just took me about 3 to 4 minutes. Swap everything from that wheel to the carbon one, and then now the carbon one is going back to the car. Okay, how many to put it on? Please. Look at that, Andy's on action again with the gun. Is that straight line on this one?
Should be, yes. It depends how it was set before. But yeah, it should line up. Sometimes you do get a little bit of a difference from one wheel to another, so sometimes you might need to just once it's all done and all back together, you sometimes might need just to tweak the steering rack just to level the wheel up again.
Right.
But that's just a manufacturing difference from, you know, literally from one casting to another.
Right. I hope we've done the good in the one go. It's a bit tight. Andy is trying finding the hole. Is that cable supposed to be behind that, go through the behind, or?
No, it's gone there. So, that's right. My assistant hadn't put the cable in the right place.
Oh, it was my fault. He meant me. Now we have a carbon steering wheel to show in the car now. It's available in the store. You can buy from ACSpeedtech or 4SRC Racing Club, both places, and you can fit it yourself if you have the right to, and you don't scared about the electric shock. And like Andy is really happy to help you out to fit in this. I hate electric, personally, so that's why I don't tempted to touch that. And in the middle is a dry carbon cover for the control bit, everything's. So it's matte carbon look. We do also have the gloss one in stock available as well. And the wheel, the bespoke wheel, we can make anything you like, any style you like. You can have a matte carbon, gloss carbon, or flat top, or leather, preparation leather, or full non-carbon, or full even carbons. Different color for stitchings, anything. We just can make it for you. Just put what you need, what you like, and then we just do it. Now the wheels are back on the positions. All we need to do just like put the batteries back, jump the cables back on it, and it's ready to good to go. And then Andy's to finalize the check everything. Oh, forgot to say, we also have the large competition paddle shifters. We have the special edition colors by ACSpeedtech, Nissan red color, that will be available from Monday. We already had a few sold, and also Andy AC provide the fitting as well. You can get it and buy it here. I got the covers.
Okay.
There you go, all done nicely.